vacation. Unforgettable moments, let's ride. Pack your bags, we're breaking free, chasing dreams from sea to sea. No more limits, no regrets. That vacation, our best trip yet. From mountain tops to ocean air, adventure waits, we'll get you there. Unforgettable moments every time. With that vacation, your dreams align. From sunrise skies to city lights shine. Visit us in Miami or thatvacation.com online. Memories made on golden shores, stories written behind new doors. You just choose where you wanna roam. We plan the ride, you feel at home. New faces, places, worlds unknown. With that vacation, you're never alone. Unforgettable moments every time. With that vacation, your dreams align. From sunrise skies to city lights shine. Visit us in Miami or thatvacation.com.